Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I know. I got this weird looking hat. It's from Barcelona. Went on holiday, you know. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Well, there's no point in having a YouTube channel if you're not gonna upload videos. So here I am uploading videos, talking. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just talking. But over to my channel. It's 11:35 p.m. Tired, time to go to bed. Just getting some music in. You know, I love all types of music, different types of music. Music's good. You know, that music sometimes, just be down, but music. I love music all the time. I can have it 24/7, whenever, however. But thanks for watching. Peace to you.